It's summertime and it is the perfect time for backyard barbecues and also cookouts. BJ's Wholesale Club has you covered for all of your cookout classic needs and your summer essentials. You know, they really do have it all. Everything you're going to need, from your freshest produce to your staples, your hot dogs, your hamburgers, your chicken, your steak, to your side dishes, desserts, appetizers. You can save up to 25% off grocery store prices, which is so great. Not only that, they make it so convenient for you to shop. You could shop in club, you could shop online, you could do curbside pickup, you could also do pickup in club, and you also same-day delivery of your groceries. You can also use manufacturer coupons at BJ's, which is a huge extra savings. And with the summertime, you want to have some summer fun. They have lawn games, water activities. They also have too lighting, so light up your backyard, your porch, your deck. Really have some fun, embrace the season. I know so many of us are excited. We're heading on road trips right now too, and BJ's has an unbelievable gas promotion going on right now through July 4th, and you spend $150 in one transaction, either online or in club. You can save 50 cents off per gallon on your next fuel fill up. You want to make sure you take advantage of this and get your savings in by July 9th. Redeem it by then. It's a great savings. BJ's has it all for you. Enjoy your summer. Get these savings. If you're not a member, head to bjs.com or head to any BJ's Wholesale Club near you.